Hello, I'm Graham Brave from Easier Internet Marketing, and welcome to this new video series, Create Your First Blog with WordPress. So welcome to this third video. Now in this video we're going to build on the work of the last video, and if you remember, in the last video what we did, we transferred our domain name from GoDaddy to HostGator. In HostGator we set up an email account, and we also set up our WordPress blog. Now in this video we're going to install a new WordPress theme, and having done that I will show you how to create your first pages in a WordPress blog. So first of all, let's go to WordPress admin site and install our theme. Now here's my login page, my WordPress blog. Let's just put in the details and get it started. So type in username, password or remembers from last time, login. And here we are on the admin page. Let's just remind ourselves of the blog we've already got started. Go up here and click on BBQ Recipe Info, or whatever yours is called. Now this is the basic site. Notice here we've got the title, and here's that subtitle, Create Sizzling Menus for Your BBQ. Now we could stick with this if we wanted to, but it's not really relevant to barbecues at all. Nice picture, not really relevant. Let's go back and see what we can do about that. Now if you go into Appearance and Themes, now there's our current theme. It's called 2010 by WordPress Team. Now we could stick with that, as I say, or we could go and find something else. Best thing to do now is click on Install Themes. Now this page here allows you to actually browse through some themes. Let me just give you an idea how many there are. First of all, just click on Find Themes. Now here you'll find over 1,000 different sorts of themes. Here's just an example here of some of those themes. Okay, now you can pick any of these you want to, just one that picks your fancy. Now I can't see anything there we really want. Now we can be a little bit more selective. Oh, there's that one we've already got there, isn't it? Now it can be a bit more selective. Let's go back to search. Now we can start to actually narrow down our search a bit. Now suppose you really are keen on a WordPress theme that's got a blue background, so you could click on blue here and go down and click on Find Themes, and what you'll find then is now filtered out. We now have 464 items, so we're down to all those WordPress themes actually have a blue background. So all these here have a blue background, and you could choose any of these. Go back, let's see what we've got. You could, if you wanted to, choose how many columns you want. We could have, let's have a think, let's have a 2-column type blog, and again find themes, and all these here, you can see here, got 2 columns, and there's 321 of those. Or we could go for a specific interest type. Say we were doing something on holidays, so we could click on holiday, find themes, and again look at this, Christmas. There we go, Christmas themes for example. So these here, how many we've got here? We've got, might just want them to one page here. Okay, so those are the themes there we've got, all to do with holidays. There's adventure, so you're doing a travel journal perhaps, there's a nice adventure one there. So there's lots of ways of narrowing this down to choose a theme you actually want. You can also look at ones that are particularly on the feature at the moment. Again, there's our adventure holiday one, or the newest ones that have come in, or even those that have been recently updated. So lots of choice here. Now let's just pop back to featured a second. Now say we did want to go for this holiday one here. This is what we really wanted. So simply to install it, click on Install. Okay, install now. And we can actually preview, see what it looks like with our headings. So preview what we got. So there's our word, BBQ Recipe Info, Create Sizzling Menus for Your Blog. Now I know BBQs are hot, but this is not particularly relevant to what we want. Nothing really to do with barbecues. So let's close this down and let's go back to installing. So let's return to Theme Installer. Now just going to manage themes a second. Now I've already decided that Picture of Pyramids does not do a great deal for barbecuing. Let's delete that one now. Okay, let's delete that. Now an alternative we've got, rather than looking at themes they're going to offer us, is to have a look on the World Wide Web and see if we can actually find something more relevant to barbecues. So let's go now into Google. Now in Google you can type in, let's type in free BBQ WordPress themes. Okay, now there are thousands of WordPress themes, many of them free. You can go and have a look at on the web. What's this? BBQ free Word. That sounds good, doesn't it? Let's look that one, shall we? Okay, and here we've got some they think are fairly relevant to us. So, what's this one? It looks pretty barbecue-ish. Let's look at the theme preview. Okay, so that is a possibility, I suppose. That is a possibility. We've got barbecue relevance here. Not sure. Let's go back and see what else we can pick up. Grilling and barbecue, free WordPress theme. Yeah, let's try that one. Now this is the one here. Now I must say I do like the look at that one. Let's have a quick look at the details of it. Okay, well it's definitely barbecue type, isn't it? Very, very succulent stuff there. It looks rather nice. Nice and bright and colourful. I think we'll go with that one. So what I'm going to do now is to download this. Let's download zip. I'm going to save it. Now I've got a folder on my computer called WordPress themes, so grilling and barbecue. This is going to be downloaded as a compressed zip folder, so this is quite good, so save that. Okay, that's done. Close that. Let's go back now to our WordPress admin area. So install Word Themes. Now what we can do here, we can upload. So click on upload. Now this says we can now install a theme in zip format. You remember we just downloaded our barbecue theme in zip format, so if we just browse and find it, we can. There it is. So click on that, open, and then install now. Okay, so we've now installed a theme from the file there. Let's look at preview, shall we? So it looks like. Oh wow, I like that. BBQ recipe info, create sizzling menus for your BBQ. Hello world, I like that, that looks good. So let's just go back and let's activate it, please. Activate. Okay, and this now tells us a new theme is activated. Okay, and there it is. And if we go up here, look at BBQ recipe info, we can actually see now what we've got installed. Now that is looking good, isn't it? BBQ recipe info, create sizzling menus for your BBQ. I'm really pleased with that. That looks good. Right, well let's move straight on to the second stage, which is creating your first pages in your WordPress blog. I want to distinguish first of all between a page or a post. You might have heard these two terms being used. Now a page, you see these on the top here, this toolbar. Now a page takes you to a separate area of your blog. So here we've got two, we've got home and we've got sample page. Now contrast this with a post. Now a post is what you put in here on a page. Here's one that says hello world and 5th of September. So a post goes onto a page and the pages are separate areas of your blog. Now what we've got here, we've got three pages we're going to need. We're going to need an about page which tells your readers about you as a person, a compensation disclosure that I'll show you in a second, and lastly a privacy policy. Now this one we're going to install in a later video, so I'm not going to worry about this just at the moment. Your about page is inform your readers that you are a real person with real interests. So hi, I'm Graham Bray. Now you don't need to use your own name. You can use a pseudonym if you want to. I have no problem using my own name on this site. So I'm Graham Bray, and here I tell a little bit about myself and about why I've created the site and what I'm going to do, and lastly where people can find support if they need it. So this is about you. The compensation disclosure is a formal document really, and what it does, it says you are going to be marketing items through this site. It could be recipe books, it could be barbecue equipment, whatever, and you are going to be making money as a result of that. So it's just disclosing that you have an interest in this site in terms of topics and products and selling those things. We're back now in our WordPress admin area, and I've clicked on dashboard, so we're here. Now you can see here at the moment I've got no pages on this site. Let's just go click up here on the pages. As you can see here, nothing at all. If you've got any pages here that come with your theme, you can always click on these and just trash them if you don't want them. So I've got nothing here, so I'm going to start adding new pages. Now the first page I want to put in there is my about page. So type in about. I'm going to copy and paste our about statement here. Now it's best to get in the practice of copying and pasting your words from a notepad document rather than things like Word, because Word tends to have idiosyncrasies we don't want to creep in. So I put this into Notepad. There's my about statement, so I'm going to edit, copy, come over here, and I'm going to go Control V to paste it, allow access, and there we've got our about. Now let's preview it. Let's see what it looks like. See, I'm previewing it, and there is our about statement. Looks good to me, so I'm going to go ahead and publish. So when we publish it, this now puts it up onto our blog site. I mean, if we look now at our site, we can see there it is, about. So click on about, and there we've got our about page there. Let's go back now to our admin area, and let's put in a second page. So add new again, and this is going to be our compensation disclosure. Compensation, this I can spell right this morning. Compensation disclosure. Good. Now again, I'm going to go and get this from my Notepad. So it'll be in Notepad. And what I've done, I have already put it in Notepad here. Let's just take this out. Okay, right click. I can do copy. Come over here again and Control V to paste it. Allow access. And again, preview. So a little look at that. So it looks like. There we go, that was our disclosure there. That was great to me. So close it down and publish. And we should see it now published. Just check on the pages. We've now got 2 pages, about and compensation. Now anything you're not happy about, simply go into edit and you can change anything you want to and then save it. Let's have a quick look at our site, BBQ Recipe Info. And now we've got, look at this, we've got our 2 new pages there, about and compensation disclosure. Right, we really are moving now, aren't we? Okay, I'm going to stop this video now, and in the next video we're going to look at inserting widgets. I hope this all made sense to you, but please, if you've got any questions whatsoever, please contact me at www.easierinternetmarketing.com and just go to the contact page there and get in touch. I look forward to hearing from you. Bye bye for now.